Good morning, all of you. You're the most welcome in DSS online English class. Myself, Dharmendra, sir, and I'm going to teach you about some important rules of passive voice. So, student, I have given you mostly part one, part two, and part three video according to tense. That means these sentences belongs to only tense. How can be interchanged? But here some rules are given that is explained about those rules who is beyond the tense, and these are converted or these are transformed by some another way. So student, let's start rule 1. Here some important rules also, so keep it in your mind and watch this video very carefully. Here, no one, nobody, someone, somebody, anybody, anyone, and one. If this sentence is used as a subject, because this subject is known as, this word is known as indefinite pronoun. This is known as indefinite pronoun. What the means of indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun that refers to a thing that is indefinite, not a clear word, not a thing that shows that who do this work. If the certain things is that I am doing, I am teaching you, that is certain, but that anybody will teach you, it is uncertain. That means it is indefinite. So this word is known as indefinite. If these words is used as a subject in a sentence, then these words has to be removed while we transform this term into passive voice. Let me transform this. Here, nobody is used as a subject, will as a helping verb, catch, main verb, and you as an object. So object will be the subject. This subject object ही क्या बनता है? Subject बनेगा. तो you, and now we have to use helping verb according to this sentence, and this will is given here, so there is no need to think about another thing. Will is used, and I have taught you that will is used in will be form when we are going to transform this given sentence into passive voice. So you will be catch. The third form, there is no need to think about this, that what form should we use. We should use verb of third form in passive voice. Passive voice, कोई भी passive voice बनाएंगे almost उसमें third form ही लगने हैं. So you will be catched. But student, the sense is nobody will catch you. सेंस ये कह रहा है कि तुम्हें कोई नहीं पकड़ पाएगा, तुम्हें कोई नहीं पकड़ पाएगा. और हमने जब पैसिव में चेंज किया तो यू विल बी कैच, मतलब आप पकड़ लिए जाओगे. तो सेंटेंस डिफरेंट हो जा रहा है. दैट मीन्स दिस सेंटेंस shows that this sentence is negative. So passive voice also be in negative. So we have to use not here, not be. So you will not be catched. अब इसका मतलब हो जाता है कि आप पकड़े नहीं जाओगे. तो both the sense is clear. So student, nobody, no one. These words explain itself that it is in negative sense. ये वर्ड्स अपने आप ये शो करते हैं कि ये नेगेटिव सेंस में है. इसलिए जब ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को बनाते हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं, तो हम इसे नेगेटिव फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देते हैं. Like no one will answer your question. Here your question will be the subject of passive voice. So your questions now will not be answered. This is the passive voice. Student, I hope so कि आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. हमें no one, this is the indefinite pronoun. Why there is no need to use as an extra word, because I have got the subject. मीन्स इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट नहीं था, नो वन था, ये इंडेफिनिट था। बट जब हमने पैसिव में चेंज किया तो योर क्वेश्चन यूज हियर एज अ सब्जेक्ट, देन सब्जेक्ट, व्हेन वी गॉट द सब्जेक्ट, देन why it's used to write no one as a extra word, so we left this, हम उसे छोड़ देते हैं। your question will not be answered, there is no need to write by no one or by someone, there is no need. Student, the main focus is that this term isn't used as an object of passive voice। सीधा मतलब है आपको बताने का कि अगर ये सेंटेंस में ये वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं एक्टिव में, तो जब पैसिव बनाते हैं तो आप पैसिव में इसे एज अ बाई ऑब्जेक्ट लिखने की कोई नीड नहीं है। हियर समवन वाज रीडिंग द गीता, देन समवन इज सब्जेक्ट, वाज ऑक्सिलरी, रीडिंग वर्ब एंड द गीता as object, so object will be the subject of passive, so the Gita, and was user was being read by someone, there is no need to write by someone, your sentence is clear, your sentence has been transformed, the Gita was being read. Here, anybody can do this work. Anybody can do this work. Anybody is also indefinite pronoun. Show this work will be the subject. Show this work. And can is used in can be. Do, the third form of do is done. This work can be done. There is no need to write by anybody. There is no need to write. So student, one more example is given here. One should keep one's promise. Then one is almost left because this is indefinite pronoun, and once is possessive case of one. So both the term will be removed while we transform it into passive voice. So the passive voice of this sentence will be promise should be, because this is model, should model, can model, and model. When the model is given in a sentence, then we have to put only be just beside the model. मतलब हमें मॉडल के साथ बस केवल be लगा देना है, आपके मॉडल से जो वॉइस होते हैं वो बन जाएंगे। जैसे can है तो हमने can be कर दिया, should है तो हमने should be कर दिया। So promise will be the subject, so promise, and should transform into should be, and that keep, the third form of keep, kept, and there is no need to write by one or once. So these both the terms will have been removed while we transform into passive. So student, I hope so you got the clear meaning or the clear sense what I am explaining here. What I want to explain to you that these things isn't used as an object in passive voice. पैसिव वॉइस में हम इसका ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज नहीं करते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ द नेक्स्ट रूल।
Well student, here the rule second is given, and this rule belongs to the models. That means when the active voice of the given sentence is based on the models, then how can we transform? This is very simple. Just you have to write be just beside the model, and the verb of third form like can will change into can be, could be, may will change into may be, might will be might be, shall will be shall be, should into should be, must into must be, or to into ought to be, will be, and would So it is obvious that object will be the subject of passive voice. So you and model just write into this given form. That means can, if the can is given, then can is used here, and just beside the can be will be. So you can be, and the third form of verb will be used in every passive voice. So thought and then by and object of I will be used in passive voice. So object of I will be me, so by me. So the given sentence is you can be taught by me. Then you should love your country. Your country will be the subject of passive voice. So your country should will transform into should be. Your country should be loved by you. You, the object of you will as it is. That means you. So by you. He may solve this sum. This sum will be the subject of passive. So this sum and may into maybe solve. The form of solve is solve and by, and object of he will be him. So the passive voice of given sentence will be this sum may be solved by him. So students, this is a very simple thing, and I think all of you got that how can we transform the given models into passive voice. If there is any problem, then you can ask me through WhatsApp, and you can call me also, and I will give you some exercise on the basis of this things or this model, and you have to complete it. If there is any problem struck in your completing the homework, then you can ask me. Whenever you want to ask, that you can ask me, and try to make your notes with the help of this video. And anyway you got any kind of restrictions or objections while you are preparing notes, then you can call me or ask your problems by